about. Don't say too much, keep a lock mouth. If they ask, we don't know what they talking about. We was just vibing, we was just vibing, we was just vibing, we was just vibing.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girls Twin Goddesses and I'm Alicia, and I hope you guys are all doing good. Look, it is Amazon Prime Week, so y'all know I had to pick up a unit for you guys to see so you guys can get your hands on this for the low. But anyways, this unit comes from the vendor UNICE Hair. So if you guys are interested in this unit, definitely check down below in the description area where everything's going to be linked. But this is UNICE's pre-everything unit. It comes with the pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, pre-plucked hairline. It also has that pre-glued ear tabs. It comes with the elastic band that's on the inside, making it so it is glueless, and you guys can see it also comes with this built-in slip band so the unit doesn't slip and slide. But as far as styling this unit, I am just going to pretty much clean it up. I'm not doing anything major. I like to go ahead and lay the edges of the wig, so I take my Eco Styler gel and just brush those edges back. You guys can see just how natural it looks. I also like to put an elastic band on the edges to hold it in place, and then I'm now going to flatten out the top of the unit. I just take some of my wax stick and my hot comb and just lay the top. This is a ready to wear unit, so you really don't have to do any extras. We are just cleaning it up and laying it so that it is ready to go. But as far as the hair itself, I am going to apply a little bit of this thickening serum. I like to use this when my hair is straight or using a straight wig. It just makes it look fuller. And I'm also going to use a bit of heat protectant and just brush it through. And for styling this unit, I am just going to kind of bump the hair a bit. The hair is already really straight, so it doesn't really require any flat ironing, but I'm just pretty much cleaning it up, bumping the ends, making it so that it looks nice and ready to go. And once I'm finished with this, we're gonna take a look at this unit tomorrow, so stay tuned.
We was just, is you picking up what I'm putting down? They like
Cat on your back with another song.
all for the love of the game, I just wanna ball.
What happened to a little ups?
I do not recall. Can be sliding down the block, see me riding clean, but I don't pop out very often, this is like to see. I got a whole lot of motion, I keep my pockets green. I get it cracking, that's the actor, you know how it be. Pull up, hop out. We be doing things that we don't talk about. Don't say too much, keep a lock mouth. If they ask, we don't know what they talking about. We was just vibing, 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 we was just vibing.
Okay y'all, so I am back, and as you guys can see again, this unit is ready to wear. It is pre-everything, that pre-cut lace. It also has those pre-glued ear tabs. The knots are bleached. This unit is ready to go. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get the wig on. You guys can see that this lace is coming up extremely light on me, but it is an easy fix, so make sure you guys stay tuned to that. But as far as adhering the unit down, I am just going to use a bit of my Got To Be Free spray and spray a bit of it along my forehead, and then I just blow dry it so that it becomes very sticky. And I do it a couple of times to make it extremely sticky, and then I'm just going to apply the lace right into it. But here's the fun part, these little ear tab stickers. Okay, so what you do is you just take it and you peel back the backing and just apply it. This is going to stick for a few days, and once it becomes all nasty and dirty with your makeup, just take it off and replace it with the extras that the unit comes with, and it holds really well. But as far as fixing that lace, I just take a little bit of my Ebin lace tinted spray and spray it on a foundation brush, and you guys can see, where's the lace? It just disappeared. I also get this from Amazon, so be sure to pick up that as well. Now I'm just adding a bit of some baby hairs. I usually don't like baby hairs with straight hair, but I was afraid that the lace would be noticeable, so I decided to add baby hairs just to take the focus off the lace. So I'm literally taking out just wispies and cutting them down. We don't want like any like heavy swoops, just a little bit of something in the front. I like to take my gel and just apply a little bit along the edges, and now I'm just kind of brushing it back. I'll soften it up a little later, but this is what we're working with right now. I'm also going to apply an elastic band just to set the edges so that it's nice and laid. And while that's setting, I am just going to lay the top of the wig, take my flat iron, and just frame the hair around my face. Okay, so I allowed those edges to set for like 15 minutes while I just styled the hair, and this is how it looks. You can take your edge brush and just soften them up so they don't look so plastered. I also like to take a bit of my concealer and just clean up that parting space in the very center, and y'all, this is how it looks. I'm actually really loving this style. Now this wig comes with 13 by 4 inches of parting space, so it does go 13 inches ear to ear and 4 inches back. The texture of this unit is a silky straight and is incredibly soft. This is the length of the hair. It is 24 inches and this is where it falls on me. The density of this unit is 150%. However, it looks very full. It's extremely soft and the color looks a bit jet black to me, okay? But with this unit, you can also do a side part. Don't think that a 13 by 4 is just a middle part unit. You can definitely style this in many different ways. I chose to do a side part and I just cleaned it up with some concealer and flattened it with my hot comb, and y'all, this is how it's looking. I'm absolutely loving this unit. I think I prefer the side part a little better. Again, y'all, make sure you guys do get your hands on this one during Amazon Prime Week. This unit is originally priced at $220, but you're going to be able to save some extra money on this one, but hurry. Let me know what you guys think of this and I will catch you in my next video. Bye guys.